Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Ma'am.
How are you, all of you? Tripti Jana,
Yes, ma'am.
your chart.
Yes, ma'am.
Show your chart, beta.
मैम
हाँ
शो हो रही है
हाँ
मैम शो हो रही है
हाँ 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 बेटा हो रहा है. Okay, human system. Okay. Okay, nice.
ठीक है मैम
Yes. Okay.
ओके मैम
लास्ट डे हमारी क्लास क्या थी? लास्ट डे हमारी क्लास क्या थी? नर्वस सिस्टम ना? So understood ना? What is nervous system? Huh? Means nervous system is divided into two parts, right? Central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. And central nervous system contain a brain and spinal cord, है ना? And peripheral nervous system contain a nerve which leave the brain and the spinal cord and they travel to certain area of the body, right? So understood na everyone what is central nervous system, brain and spinal cord?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
So, ये देखो brain is spinal cord, CNS, PNS, sensory, motor and other sensory and motor neurons. Okay, means CNS means signal and PNS means also signal, right? But CNS means हमारे side पे response आना and PNS means हमारे brain को response return आना. ठीक है? So CNS involve brain, spinal cord and PNS involve other sensory and motor neurons. Okay, and CNS response means motor response and PNS response means sensory response. Okay, so this is a channel. Okay, this is a channel means network, है ना? Understood everyone? And you believe it or not, our body, na 7 trillion nerve in our body is present. Okay, and all this nerve are part of what is known as our body's nervous system. Okay, so you can think of nervous as your body means electric wiring, na? Okay, means they transmit signal, है ना, between your brain, spinal cord, and other body parts, right? Electric signal like, है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम
Like this. This is a like electric wiring, है ना? So nerve as our body means electric wiring type. Okay, and they transmit signal between our brain, spinal cord, and our other body parts. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And all is 7 trillion nerve is most important for you cranial nerve. Okay, most important is cranial nerve. Okay, so what is cranial nerve? Mainly cranial nerve is a 12 pair of branches. Okay, mainly 12 cranial nerve are divided. Okay. This is a 12 cranial nerve. Okay, this is the most important for you. Okay, cranial nerve are pair of nerve. Okay, that connect your brain to different part of your head, neck. Okay, and there are 12 of them, and each name for their function or structure. Okay, each nerve also has a corresponding and Roman numeral between 1 to 12 ना शो हो रहा है ना Roman number. This is a Roman number, हाँ शो हो रहा है Roman number means not 1 2 3 Roman number according to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, denoted by the only Roman number. Okay. ये शो हो रहा है रोमन नंबर 10 नंबर.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. This is a first, then second, then third, then fourth. Okay, then fifth, then sixth, then seven, then eight, then 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this is a 12 main cranial nerve. Okay, and this is a introduced only between 1 and 12 Roman numeral number. Okay, and this is based of their location from front to back. Okay, means if olfactory nerve is closer to the front of your head na, so it design like front means wiring design hota hai na same like. Okay, so all nerve function usually characteristic being sensory or motor like na. Sensory nerve means involve with your senses, right? Means like smell, hearing, touching. Okay, so this is a sensory nerve, and motor nerve means control the movement, function, है ना, control the muscles, glands. Okay, so their function are usually characterized by the sensory or motor type. Okay, sensory nerve involved with the senses, and motor nerve involved in the control, movement, function control. Okay, understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So, we are a study na one by one, all 12 nerve and their function. Okay, so our first pair of cranial nerve in olfactory nerve is a first. Okay, so what is olfactory nerve? What do you understand of what is olfactory nerve? What is olfactory nerve? Olfactory means, what is olfactory?
Smell.
Yes, smell. Okay, show हो रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a olfactory nerve. This is a olfactory nerve. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So olfactory nerve means smell, na? Right? Olfactory nerve cranial nerve का first nerve होता है, ठीक है? And this is the first and very shortest nerve are present here. Okay, and it is very special afferent nerve which transmit information relating to smell. Okay, so this is a first olfactory nerve. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then second one is optic nerve. Okay. Second one is optic nerve. So optic nerve means
Ma'am, seeing.
yes. Okay.
Seeing.
Optic nerve is a second cranial nerve and responsible for transmitting the spatial sensory information for vision. Okay. And it is developed from the optic vessels. Okay. So this is a optic nerve. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
third one is ocular optic nerve. Okay. This is a first one. Okay, cranial nerve means oculomotors. Okay, oculomotors nerve means this is a third nerve and motor function involved. Okay, means our pupil na upper eyelid and lower eyelid hai na. So eye muscles that allow the visual tracking na fictions hai na. So this is their work. Okay, means provide motor some structure within bony or orbit. Okay, so this is a oculomotor nerve. Okay, and this is third cranial nerve and has three main motor function. Three main motor function. First is pupil and lenses intervention. Okay, second one is intervention to eye muscles, and third one is visual tracking. Okay, means fictions. Okay, so this is a cranial nerve, third cranial nerve, oculomotors nerve. Okay, understood, everyone? Then our fourth nerve is, this is a fourth nerve. Okay, fourth nerve is trochlear nerve. Okay, this is a control and movement of a superior oblique muscles. Means eye down, eye upwards, rotate, है ना, towards the nose. So this is a helpful. Okay, eye outwards when the eye is looking downwards. So this is a cranial nerve, fourth number, called the trochlear nerve, then control the movement of superior oblique muscles. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fifth one is triangular. Fifth one is trigeminal nerve. Okay, trigeminal nerve कैसा होता है मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. This is a trigeminal nerve. Okay, means all facial in present trigeminal nerve. Okay, means trigeminal nerve means na trochlear means just one muscles, means eye which operate through the pulmonary like trachea na. Understood or not? Trigeminal nerve means na our face membrane structure na of the head. So motor neuron muscle nestifications. Okay, means all our face na, their very primary role means sensory information. Means if any person ever touch our cheeks, so senses gone on our brain. So this is a very primary role. Okay, sensory and motor both are involved, and this is a all our face is transmitted nerve. Okay, show हो रहा है ना सभी को?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes, ma'am.
side पे. Okay, so this is a trigeminal nerve. Okay, understood, everyone? What is trigeminal nerve?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then next one is six, है ना? Six cranial nerve. So six cranial nerve is abducens nerve. Okay, What is abducunious nerve? So this is a abducunious nerve. Okay, sure hai?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is a abducunious nerve, and this is a present paired cranial nerve, na purely somatic motor function, means lateral rectus muscles. Rectal muscles means there are a function main pony muscles. Okay, means jointing, na means if eye and our cheeks and nose between the senses. Okay, between the senses are present in because abduculaneous nerve. Okay, so this is a abducens nerve, means sixth cranial nerve is abducens nerve. Okay, then next one is seventh cranial nerve are a facial nerve. Okay, facial nerve means this is a facial nerve. Okay, sure hai facial nerve. All
Yes, ma'am.
facial or face in a present a facial nerve.
Ma'am.
Okay, and this is a seventh number of cranial nerve. Okay, and they are related na brain stem and control the muscle of all our facial expression. Okay, means function in the convey of sensation from the anterior. Okay, means one of the most important way na we are non-verbally communicate with each other is by facial expression, है ना? Like eyebrow, है ना? Lift on eyebrow, wrinkling, है ना? Nose or slight twing, है ना? Corner of the mouth, है ना? So can tell us quietly a bit, na? So if we are paying attention, we notice this smile changes, है ना? So not only what they indicate about the pupil, okay, we are interacting with, and but also what they indicate regarding their damage towards us, है ना? So this is a relations, our face and facial nerve. Understood everyone? Means our facial expression because of facial nerve are responses. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is a seventh number of cranial nerve. What is facial nerve? Okay, and next one is vestibulocochlear nerve. Okay, show करती हूँ मैं. Vestibulocochlear nerve. This is a 8 number of cranial nerve. Okay, vestibular nerve. This is a 8 number of cranial nerve, and what is their function? Tell me, what is their function?
Hearing.
Hearing, ma'am.
Hearing.
Sound.
Hearing.
Known as the transmitted sound. Okay, sound balance karna information from the inner ear to the brain. Okay, so this is a 8 number of cranial nerve, vestibular nerve, and their function are balance, है ना, sound balance and information from the inner ear to the brain, transmit the sound and balance karna. Understood everyone? This is a auditory nerve, na? Auditory means hearing, na? Called auditory, vestibular. Okay, so this is a 8 number of cranial nerve, and this is a sometimes called a auditory nerve. Okay, don't be confused. Vestibular nerve or auditory nerve. Okay, and human ear severing the organs, because hearing जो हमारा sensory और motor function है वो depend करता है किस पे, vestibular nerve पे. Okay, understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then our next one is means 9th number. Okay, 9th number our cranial nerve is glossopharyngeal nerve. Okay, glossopharyngeal nerve means, just wait, so करती हूँ मैं. This is a glossopharyngeal nerve. This is a glossopharyngeal nerve. Okay, means our just below the eye. ear. Okay, just below the ear. Okay, and their function, responsible function for like reflection. Okay, receive input from the general and spatial sensory fibers back to the throat. Okay, so this is a glasopharyngeal nerve, means mixed nerve. Okay, carry affect sensory sometimes motor information. Okay, and this is a present in brain stem, near the brain stem. Okay, and out from the side of the upper medulla. Okay, and just anterior means closer to the nose. Okay, their main anatomy. Okay, their main anatomy is a main presenting area is closer to the nose. Okay, and brain stem attached and side of the upper medulla. Understood, everyone? And their main function is like swallowing responsible, you know, any gag reflection. There is a main function. Okay, and sometimes 9-number cranial nerve, glasopharyngeal nerve are sometimes motor function and sometimes a sensory function present. Okay, understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Next, 10th number of cranial nerve. What is 10th number of cranial nerve? Our 10th number cranial nerve is vagus nerve. Okay, vagus nerve means show रहा है ना सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
10th number cranial nerve, na? And this is the longest and most complex of the cranial nerve. Okay, vagus nerve run from the brain and through the face and throat and to the abdomen. Okay, so it is a mixed nerve. Okay, and that contain a very different parts and fibers. Okay, so branches of the vagus nerve, right? So this is a vagus nerve, and this is a responsible for the internal organ function, na? Like digestion, heart rate, respiratory rate. Okay, our vasomotor activity, है ना? Any reflection action like coughing, है ना? Coughing, sneezing, है ना? Any vomiting. This type of function are responsible for vagus nerve. Okay, 10th number cranial nerve are vagus nerve, and vagus nerve responsible for the our internal organ function. Okay, internal organ function means heart rate, digestion, respiratory. Okay, means internal organ activities, action. Okay, means sometimes coughing, sneezing, swallowing. So this is our internal organ function, right? Our internal organ activity. So 10th number vagus nerve, cranial nerve, 10th cranial nerve pair of 10th number vagus nerve responsible for the regulation of internal organ function. Understood, everyone? What is vagus nerve? Then next 11 number of our cranial nerve. 11 number of our cranial nerve name is accessory nerve. Okay, so this is a accessory nerve. Just wait. This is a accessory nerve. So right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the accessory nerve. Okay. So accessory nerve means control the muscles. Okay, means our full body muscles control action, है ना? Shoulders and turning the head, है ना? So all the spinal component means accessory nerve are responsible. Understood, everyone? Means this is a emerge from the medulla brain stem and is visible of the bottom of the image in like blue. And accessory nerve is cranial nerve that is to supply the trapezial muscles. है ना? Sure, right? So accessory nerve are fully responsible for our motor function. Okay, means motor control, our muscles action. Okay, I already told you na, shoulder action, turning the hand, है ना? So this is a accessory nerve. Okay, this is a 11 number cranial nerve and this is a accessory nerve. Okay, then last one is our 12 number cranial nerve. 12 number cranial nerve is hypoglossal nerve. Okay, hypoglossal nerve is present the yellow color. Show right? This is a
Yes, ma'am.
hypoglossal nerve. Okay, and attach the our tongue. Okay, so what is their function? Attach the our tongue means
Taste.
control the tongue
Taste.
movements. Yes,
Taste. To
taste
talk.
and control the taste for responsible our taste bud beta. Okay, this is a function, है ना? So their function is control the tongue movement. Okay, so this is a hypoglossal nerve and this is a 12 number of cranial nerve and this is a voluntary motor control of tongue movements and normal है ना? And our last cranial number, total our cranial nerve number is 12. Okay, and different all cranial nerve are a different function. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? This is a 12 cranial nerve, na? Olfactory, optic, okay, then ocular, then tracheal,
Ma'am, accessory.
retinal, then facial, okay, then vestibular, motor, gastrocnemius. ये जो नेम है, ठीक है, 12 cranial nerve, सबको कल याद होने चाहिए. Mute your mic, beta. Show हो रहा है? All nerve are attested in our brain na. So olfactory nerve, this is the olfactory nerve. Okay, this is a olfactory nerve. ठीक है? And then optic nerve. Okay, then transgemal, facial. This is a facial. Okay, then means all nerve are attached na our brain and other function. Understood everyone? 12 cranial nerve is the most important for your exam. Okay, so tomorrow your assignment is 12 cranial nerve, name and their function.
Accessory nerve, what function?
Note
Ma'am,
down
repeat, ma'am.
करना है. ठीक
Ma'am,
है?
repeat, ma'am. Ma'am, one more repeat, ma'am.
Total 12 write down the 12 cranial nerve and their function. This is a tomorrow for your assignment. 12 cranial nerve and their function. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And 12
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
आपको टिप टू टंग नेम उसके याद होने चाहिए. Okay, Sumita?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, accessory nerve, what function, ma'am?
What beta?
Accessory nerve.
Accessory nerve. Accessory
ma'am.
nerve number is a 11, right? And accessory nerve is a cranial nerve means our bottom of the our neck, huh? Bottom of our neck, and their main function is the our movement means our just below medulla oblongata brainstem attached, okay, and their main function na supply the stenomotis, means trapezius muscles. Understood? Not understood? Means action, our muscle action, full our body muscle action. Accessory nerve main provide the motor control, okay, our full body. So like shoulder action, like head turning, है ना, this is a muscles action, right? So accessory nerve provide a motor control function, okay, means muscles control action and motor control function, both are same, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
ओके सो कल मैं किसी से भी 12th क्रेनियल नर्व के नेम पूछ सकती हूँ और उसके फंक्शन पूछ सकती हूँ, ठीक है? ओके
Okay.
ओके
Okay, ma'am.
ओवर बाय एवरीवन एंड टेक केयर
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.